Hello everyone, welcome back to maths class, the continued part of exercise 15C. In the previous class we have discussed about how to construct a triangle when the measure of three sides are given in the question. We followed three steps. First step, to draw a baseline. Second step, with the initial point of the baseline to the given measurement we have drawn an arc, and in the third step, from the end point of the baseline we have drawn an arc so that it should coincide with the other arc which we have drawn before. So by joining the points we obtained a triangle. And one more point to be noted, and it was highlighted, that an arc will not give you a point when the arc is touched, or when two arcs intersect you will get a point. So please keep this in mind. In today's class, let us learn how to construct a triangle when the measure of two sides and one angle is given in the question. So here also we need to follow three steps. What is the first step? First step is to draw the baseline. And the second step is to construct an angle for the given measurement. So an angle might be 60 degree or 45 degree or whatever is the angle. And the third step is to obtain the third vertex. If this is A and this is B, how to get C? C can be obtained by drawing an arc from A to C or B to C as per the given information in the question. If AC is given, we have to keep the compass at A and cut an arc. Or if BC is given, keep your compass at B and cut an arc for C. In this case also, the point to be remembered is, when you construct an angle, this angle measurement will be obtained, but you will not get the third vertex. Again, an angle cannot give you a point, an arc cannot give you a point. When two arcs intersect, a point will be obtained, or when an angle and an arc intersects, you will get a point. So the second method of construction, what we are doing is two sides and an angle. So from the base side we are going to construct an angle, and for the angle line an arc should be drawn so that you will get the third vertex. So then you can join, the triangle will be ready with the three sides. Okay, let's straight away move on to the question. Construct triangle ABC. AB is equal to 7 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. See, measure of two sides are given. Now I can keep AB as the base or BC as the base, no problem, anything. But if you consider AB, angle B should be on the end point of a line. If you construct BC, angle B will be at the initial point of a straight line. So what do? So while drawing my rough diagram, I'll make clear that BC is my base, so that its measure is 5 cm, and at the point angle ABC, I need to construct an angle 60 degree, and measure of AB is given. So if AB is given, what we need to do? Keep your compass at B and cut an arc for the point A. So angle 60 degree and the measure of AB 7 cm will give the point A, the third vertex. And how to construct angle? So as per the ICSE board norms, we are not permitted to use the protractors for the construction of angles. Always construction of angles should be done with the help of a compass and a scale. So this problem, again we are doing it in three steps. First step, draw the baseline BC. What is its measure? It is given as 5 cm. Let me draw a line BC. As soon as you draw a line, label it, write its measurement. So at the point B, see angle ABC means the middle letter will denote at which point angle should be constructed. So I have to construct angle B is as 60 degree. So if you have learned how to construct angle by using compass and protractor. If you are not able to remember, just follow the video, listen to the instructions carefully. Okay, take a compass, keep at the position where you want to construct an angle. Take the measurement either more than half or less than half, but usually we prefer less than half, and cut an arc so that arc should touch the baseline BC. So I have drawn the first arc. Remember how many arcs I am going to draw. Now at the point where the arc touches the baseline, with this point, without changing the measurement of the compass, draw the second arc. So the point where the two arcs intersect is the angle which is equal to 60 degrees. So first arc from at the point B, the measurement should be less than half, and without changing the compass measurement, keep a point on the line where the arc has touched, and from that line just cut the arc. So when two arcs intersect, you will get an angle which is equal to 60 degrees. For the verification purpose, let us check with the protractor, only for verification, not for constructing. So if you check this completely with your protractor, exactly my angle is equal to 60 degrees. So as soon as you construct angle, write its measure 60 degrees. We have got an angle. Did we get the third vertex A? No. An angle cannot give you a point because angle can be extended. The straight line can be extended so that you will not get the point A. Then what is the second measurement given? BA as 7 cm. AB and BA are same. So take your compass measurement to 7 cm. Keep your compass at B and cut an arc on the line where you have constructed the angle. So the point where the angle and the arc intersects is the point A. Now this is my triangle ABC. So this method is to be followed when the measure of two sides and an angle is given. We call it as SAS, two sides and an angle. Here also we followed 3 steps. Let me move on to the second question. In the second question, BC is given as 6 cm, AC is given as 5.7 cm, and angle ACB is 75 degrees. So if you want angle ACB as 75 degrees, I can make my angle ACB here as 75, so that measure of BC can be taken as 6 cm and AC is 5.7 cm. So if you make this as BC, angle will come on this side. So I have made just labeled it as CB. BC and CB are one and the same, because most of the students are convenient and they prefer to construct angle at this point, but it is not compulsory. You can have an angle on the other point also, as it is a habit of constructing at the initial point. I have named this as C. So what is the first step? First step is again to construct a straight line BC with its measure is given as 6 cm. But while labeling, mark this as C, this as B. Its measurement is 6 cm. Now how to construct 75 degree? How to construct 75 degree? Keep an eye here, children. Straight away we cannot construct 75 degree. How to construct 75? So before I move on to the actual construction, I'll just explain. Okay. So first we need to have a baseline. Then with the help of an arc, you have to construct 60 degree and you have to construct 90 degree. Okay, so 60 and 90, the difference between 60 and 90, this part is 30 degree. When you bisect 30 degree, the measure will be equal to 75 degree. So what is my first step? First step, with the help of an arc, I should construct 60. We will make sure that we will draw a dotted line for 60 because I don't require 60. Next, second step, with the help of angle 60, you have to construct 90 degree. This also we will be drawing a straight line because dotted line we don't need 90. Now 60 is here, 90 is complete angle. With this middle, the difference between 60 and 90, this part, I am going to bisect this and I'll draw a line so that measure of this angle is 75 degree. The angle which I have drawn, straight line, is my angle 75. The dotted lines are just a mark to construct 75 degree. Okay, let us proceed with the actual construction. Please observe. So keep your compass at C, cut the first arc. Once the first arc is drawn, from the line where the arc touches the baseline, you will draw another arc. So what this point will give me? It will give me 60 degree. So let me make, as I informed children, will draw a dotted line. What is the purpose of drawing dotted line? Dotted line indicates just the helping line so that 60 degree is not the virginal angle which I require. Now with this arc, let me construct one more arc. Now first arc, second arc, third arc. Now you can see these two arcs on the semicircle. So please don't change the compass measurement. Again, by keeping the compass at these two arcs one by one, draw two more arcs so that it intersects at a point which is equal to 90 degrees. Now draw a dotted line. So constructing angle, this is already you have learnt in class 6. So even though you have learnt, I am just going it in detail so that you should not get confused. Now the difference between 60 and 90 is 30. In that 30, this is my 30 degree. I'll just shade this part. Please you don't shade it in your classwork. I'm just showing it. See, this part is 30. In this 30, I'll bisect this angle to get 15 degree. See? So I have not changed my compass. Which part I have shaded, with that part itself I am keeping my angle. Now this is the angle. 60 degree was there. Out of 30 we have taken half. So you will get an angle which is equal to 75 degree. Let's cross verify with the help of a protractor. Exactly, we have got 75 degree. Okay children, now what is the next step? AC measurement is 5.7. So use your scale, take the measurement of 5.7 centimeter. After 7 lines or 3 lines before 6 centimeter. Cut an arc by keeping your compass at the point C. This will give me a point A and join it so that your construction is ready with the triangle ABC. Measure of AC is 5.7 centimeter. Question number 3. AB 6.5, AC 5.8, angle A 45 degree. So AB and AC, anything can be the base, and angle A is 45 degree. So let's consider AB as the base 6.5 centimeter, AC as 5.8 centimeter. Now we need to construct angle 45 degree. How to construct angle 45 degree? When you bisect angle 90, half of 90 will give you 45 degree. Kindly focus on the point how I am going to draw 45 degree, where the compass will be placed and how the arcs will be cut. After the drawing each arc, pause the video, complete your work, come back and then continue. Okay. Now AB 6.5. Let me keep my compass at A and will draw the first arc. And from the position where it touched the line, the second arc. From that, the third arc. Again, we need to have the arcs which we have drawn before to coincide with one more arc, so that it gives the measure equal to 90 degree. Just draw a dotted line. Okay, this is my 90 degree. I have to bisect 90 degree. So keep your compass at this. This is the place where you can bisect your angle. Half of 90 will give you 45 degree. So this 45 degree, just draw a straight line. This measure is 45 degree and AC is 5.8. So just take the compass measurement for 5.8, 2 lines before 6. Keep the compass at A and then cut an arc for C. Join BC. Your triangle ABC is ready. Measure of AC is 5.8 centimeter. So by this we are going to complete today's class. Today we have learned how to construct triangle when measure of two sides and an angle is given. So along with this video, children, a PDF will be sent to you where you can see the step-by-step construction. Okay, go through with the video, refer the PDF and try to do the construction by yourself. In tomorrow's class, we are going to discuss how to construct triangle when two angles and the measure of one side is given. Till then, take care. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.